黑暗中照亮世界，那么给你一束光。我想站在珠峰最高处，再为你开扇窗。穿过大街小巷，也看过熙熙攘攘的人群中，他们像是跳蚤市场。
Now guys, I've just found my drone and look at the weather. So, as you can see, it's chucking it down. But thank God I found it, because if I'd have left it out in this with the battery connected, the VTX, the ESC, the camera, flight controller, everything would have been fried. Receiver. Just need to test it when I get home. I've literally just picked it up and ran to the car as quick as I could get here. So that's it guys, video to follow. Or you've watched the video and this is the end of the video. I've been Gadget Man 404. You guys have been awesome as always. You have to push your limits guys. You have to keep trying, push it, push it, push it. And it landed in a completely different field to me. I lost VTX, I put a new aerial on and it's no good. But I had a battery in front of the aerial because it was a stubby, so I think the battery was blocking the signal. But anyway, you know, you live and learn. Wow, look. Thank God I found it, because I wouldn't have been happy, because it would have been toast. Catch the next one guys. Stay safe, fly safe, keep each other safe. Gadget Man 404 out. Peace out. Cheers guys, stay